Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Look what I got sponsored. The new iPhone 15 Blue Plus USB-C 20 watts power adapter. Let's unbox it together. So the box art is pretty simple, standard Apple. Yeah, it is what it is. Should be blue, should be beautiful, should be the best. So let's just open up together and enjoy this beauty. This is how it looks. It doesn't look that blue. This is the back panel here. Let's open this front together, guys. There we go. Just like a normal iPhone. Looks nice, guys. Well, I got this phone because on this channel I do unbox pinball machines for, $10,000–$15,000, and I want them to look beautiful when I unbox them. And this one has got 48 megapixel camera and should be a pretty nice phone in 2023. Some stuff and an Apple logo and the cable. That was the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. As of right now, feels good, man. Feels real nice. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.